नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् अनुग्रहाय लोकानाम् अवतीर्णाय विष्णवे क्लेश अपहाय कृष्णायाः पार्थसारथये नमः. So last class we stopped with this slide. अथ निधाग समये स्त्रीभिः सह यमुना तीरे विहरन्तौ कृष्णार्जुनौ बभ्रुकेशः हिरण्यवर्णः कश्चित् ब्राह्मणः उपेत्य क्षुदितः अस्मि मम अभीष्टम् अन्नं ददातु इति ययाचे. The context here is, so Arjuna went for an exile where he met where he married several women. One among them is Krishna and Balarama's sister Subhadra. So after their marriage, um Krishna and Arjuna, they started sporting during the summer season at the banks of the river Yamuna. Yamuna Tire Viharantau Krishna Arjuna. Somebody came and approached them. He was Hiranya Varnaha. His color was in so gold. He was dazzling like a gold. And Kaschit Brahmanaha, he is a Brahmin. And Babrukeshaha, he had a brown hair. Kshudita, he said to Krishna and Arjuna that Kshuditaha asmi, I'm extremely hungry. Mama abhishtam annam dadatu iti. So please serve me with abhipsitam, vanchitam, or desirable food to me. So some brahmanaha, kaschit brahmanaha agatya Krishna Arjuna idam avadat. Yeah. No. To that Brahmin, Krishna and Arjuna, they ask, Kahatvam, Kidrisham va annam tava abhishtam iti prishtaha saha punaha babashe. Aham kila utabuk. Rajnyaha Shvetagetoho dvadasha varshike satre avichinnaya ajyadaraya mandashaktihi bhavanne tatra bhavataha parameshtinaha शासनेन अगदङ्कारैः सत्त्वैः ओषधीभिश्च सम्पन्नम् इदं काण्डववनं भक्षयितुं घटमानः सख्युः तक्षकस्य रक्षण उद्यतेन मघोना शमितः अस्मि. So now that Brahmana replies to Krishna and Arjuna. So Krishna and Arjuna asked Krishna and Arjuna asked him, who are you? And what sort of food do you like? And he replied, I am fire. Hutabuk. Hutam bhungte iti hutabuk. Whatever is being offered to the fire, he will immediately consume it. So he is called as Hutabuk. So he said, I am fire. What happened to me by the continuous or the ceaseless flow of ghee offered at the sacrifice that was performed by King Shvetaketu almost for 12 years, because of which my digestion became very weak. And at the command of Brahma, I set myself about to eat this Kandava forest. Why? What is the reason of consuming this Kandava forest, Kandava Vanam? The forest is filled with living beings and herbs which can be used or calculated to cure my sickness. But while I was performing the command, while I was burning or consuming the whole Kandavavanam, that time I was put out by Indra, who went on protecting his friend Takshaka. See, it is not only Indra, not only in order to save his friend. See, if you see the original text, the whole Devas, they come and fight with Krishna, with Arjuna to save this Kandavavanam, which is the place, which is the residence, which is the abode of many living beings. So here, so this is the meaning of this whole paragraph. So Krishna and Arjuna, they asked this Brahmin, Kahatvam, Kastvam, Kidrisham va annam tava abhishtam. Abhishtam ityukte ishtam, vanchitam, desire. So what type of food you want? Because he said, I'm extremely hungry, feed me. So immediately these two ask him, Kidrisham va annam, annam ityukte bhojanam, tava, your, abhishtam is vanchitam, ishtam. What type of food you're you have what sort of food you want to eat. Iti iti Krishna Arjunabhyam Prishtaha Saha. So like that, he was asked by Krishna and Arjuna. Saha here is goes to that Brahmanaha. Brahmanaha Saha Brahmanaha Krishna Arjunabhyam Kahatvam Kidrisham va annam tava abhishtam iti prishtaha saha punaha babashe. He again replied. He spoke. What did he say? What did that Brahmana say? Aham kila hutabuk. First, openly he discloses his identity. I am none other than the fire. Hutabuk. Hutam bhungte iti hutabuk. Agnihi ityartaha. Aham kila agnihi. Sorry. Aham kila agnihi hutabuk. Rajnyaha Shvetaketoho Dvadasha Varshike Satre. Satre is Yagaha, sacrifice ityartaha. Rajnyaha Shvetaketo. Shvetaketu is the name of a king. Rajnyaha, it is in Shashti. Rajnyaha Shvetaketoho Dvadasha Varshike Satre. So this Dvadasha Varshike qualifies Satre in the sacrifice of King Shvetaketu. How was the sacrifice? It was performed for 12 years, not 1 year or 1 month. It was performed for 12 years. So you can imagine the amount of ghee that has been offered to the Agni. So Dvadasha Varshike Satre Avichinnaya Ajyadaraya. Vichinnam is break. Avichinnam is without break, non-stop. Na vichinnam avichinnam. Taya avichinnataya. Without any interruption or without any break. Ajyam is ghee. Ajyasya dara, ajyadara. Ajyadhataya, ajyadaraya. By the flow, by the what to say, without having any interval, avichinnataya, avichinnaya ajyadaraya. This avichinnaya qualifies ajyadaraya. The flow, by the flow of the ghee. How is the flow? Avichinnam. It was without any break. So uninterrupted flow of flow by uninterrupted flow of the ghee, or by the flow of ghee. So Ajyadaraya Manda Shaktihi. What happened? I lost my Shakti. Shaktihi is Strilingam. So Manda Shaktihi Yasya Saha. It qualifies Aham. That is Utabuk. Aham Manda Shaktihi Abhavam. I became very extremely weak. Bhavan Shatru. Bhavan Tatra Bhavataha Parameshtinaha. Parameshti is Brahma. So Parameshti is Nakaranta Pullinga. Parameshti, Parameshtinau, Parameshtinaha. So it is in Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So okay. Parameshtinaha is in Shashti. Bhavataha Parameshtinaha. So Brahma, by the order of Brahma, Shasanena. Shasanam is command or order. By the command of Brahma, Shasanena, Agadankaraha, Gadaha ityukte, Rogaha ityartha. Disease. Agadam is Arogam. So Agadam Karoti iti Agadankaraha. So this qualifies Oshadi Bihi. Okay. So this is also in Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So Agadankarehi literally have to say the meaning, it's curative. So Ashasanena Agadankarehi Satvaihi Oshadibihi. Satvaihi is Tukte Jantubihi. Satvaihi Oshadibihi cha Sampannam idam Kandavavanam. So idam Kandavavanam Sampannam. Sampannam is prosperous or fertile. Blessed. Is blessed with, filled with this Kandavavanam, idam Kandavavanam Sampannam. Kebihi, Kaihi Sampannam, Agadankaraihi Satvaihi Oshadibihi cha, idam Kandavavanam Sampannam. So Agadankaraihi, curative, Satvaihi, Jantubihi, Oshadibihi. Oshadi is herbs. By the medicinal herbs, idam Kandavavanam Sampannam is filled with, or it is fertile or prosperous with such medicinal herbs and jantu. What is the purpose of consuming them? Agadankaraha. So already I am extremely weak. By consuming the non-stop flow of ghee that was offered by Shvetaketu in the 12-year sacrifice performed by him. So idam Kandavavanam Bhakshayitum. Bhakshayitum is to eat or consume. घटमानः is affecting pravrittah. Ghatamanah sun bhavan sakyuhu. So I was given a suggestion or given a command by Brahma to consume the Kandavavanam to get myself cured from this Mandashakti, from this weakness. Okay. When I was performing that act, Sakyuhu Takshakasya Rakshana Udyatena Magona. Magonaha is Indraha. So Sakyuhu Takshakasya, his friend is Takshaka. Takshakasya Rakshanaya Udyataha Tena, this Rakshana Udyatena qualifies Magona. So, Magavano, Magavanaha, it is Magavan Shabdam, Nagaranta, and it is Pullingam. Magona is Magava, it is also, there is another Rupam called Magava. Magona is also in Tritiya Vibhakti. So, this Rakshana Udyatena Magona, Aham Shamitaha Asmi. Shamitaha is I've been put off, extinguished. Okay, Shama, and it is a Nikta Pratyayam Asmi. So aham Hutabuk Asmi, aham Maghona Shamitaha Asmi. Okay, so who am I? Kahatvam, who are you? Kidrisham va annam tava abhishtam iti prishtaha saha. Krishna Arjunabhyam prishtaha saha agnihi kim prishtaha kidrisham va annam tava abhishtam. What is the desire? What is the food that your due desire for? Abhishtam is, abhi is the upasarga and ish is the dhatu and it is in ikta pratyayam. So prishtaha is also, prich is the dhatu and it is in ikta pratyayam. It qualifies saha. Punaha again is an avyayam and punaha visargasya repaha. Bhabashe is, bhash is the dhatu, lit lagara, pratama purusha, ekavachanam, saha punaha babashe. Okay. Prishtaha saha hutabuk babashe. Aham kila hutabuk. I am the Agni. Hutabuk is hutam bungte iti hutabuk. Agnihi ityartaha. Rajnyaha shvetagetoho dvadasha varshike. Dvadasha varshikaha. It qualifies satre. So it is in Saptami Vibhakti. Dvadasha varshike satre. Avichinnaya ajyadaraya, by the free flow of or the free usage or the uninterrupted usage of ghee. So satre avichinnaya ajyadaraya, you have the savarna dirgham. Na vichinna taya vichinnataya ajyasya dara ajyadara taya ajyadaraya. Mandashaktihi qualifies aham uta book. Manda shaktihi yasya saha, whose power has been weakened, who has become very dull. Okay. Bhavan, you have this sattva sandhi here. Bhavan plus tatra, bhavans tatra. Bhavan is bhu dhatu and it is in Chatru Pratyayam. Tatra, bhavataha qualifies parameshtinaha. Parameshtinaha is in Sashti Ekavachanam. Shasanena, by the command, Agadankaraihi, Gadaha is Rogaha, Agadaha is Arogaha, Agadam Karoti iti Agadankaraha, Taihi Agadankaraihi, Satvaihi, I don't know why I have written Puta book. It qualifies Satvaihi or Agadankaraihi, Satvaihi Oshadibihi. It doesn't qualify anything. Agadankaraihi, which acts like a curative, and Satvaihi Jantubihi and Oshadibihi is herb. So here Visargasya Sakaraha, then you have this Chutvam. Satvaihi Oshadibihi Visargasya Repaha. Sampannamidam Kandavavanam. Kandava iti vanam Kandavavanam. Bhakshayitum is Bhaksh is the dhatu and it is in Tumanantam. And Ghatamanaha is Ghata is the dhatu and it is in Shanach. Sakyuhu Takshakasya. Sakyuhu is also in Shashti. It qualifies Takshakasya. Rakshanaya Udyataha. Rakshana Udyataha. One who is ready to protect. So Udyataha is Ut, Yat is the dhatu, Ikta Pratyam, Tritiya Vibhakti. Rakshanaya Udyataha. Rakshanam, Raksh is the dhatu. So here, this Rakshana Udyatena qualifies Maghona. So Maghonaha, Maghavan is the Shabdam. It is a Nakaranta, Pullinga, Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. By Indra, Aham Shamitah Asmi. Shamitah is extinguished or I have been put out. So Shamu, Ikta, and it is Nich. I have been extinguished by Indra. Asmi, As is the Dhatu. Okay. So Kastvam, Kidrisham va annam tava abhishtam iti prishtaha saha punaha babashe aham kila putabuk राज्ञः श्वेतकेतोः द्वादशवार्षिके सत्रे अविच्छिन्नया आज्यधारया मन्दशक्तिः भवन् तत्र भवतः परमेष्टिनः शासनेन अगदङ्कारैः सप्तैः ओषधीभिश्च सम्पन्नम् इदं सम्पन्नम् again it is in nikta pratyam sam pat and nikta pratyam sampannam idam and it is a neuter gender it qualifies kandavavanam bhakshayitum घटमानः सख्युः तक्षकस्य रक्षण उद्यतेन मगोना शमितो अस्मि शमितः अस्मि विसर्गस्य अपनुदौ प्रतीक्ष्य स्थितो अस्मि prayachate. So now, so he said, this is my condition, and according to the command of Brahma, I started consuming the Kandavavanam, and to interrupt my action, Indra appeared to save his friend Takshaka. Okay. So what happened? Evam sapta kritvaha vitata prayatnaha. Vitata prayatnaha is a futile exercise. Thus, I failed in my attempt for 7 times. Sapta kritvaha. We came across the word pancha kritvaha when Draupadi asked for that Swargalakshmi. Swargalakshmi asked for a good patim me dehi the pancha kritvaha. She asked for 5 times. Here it is sapta kritvaha is 7 times. So thus I failed in my attempt for 7 times. And again by the orders of Brahman, I am waiting for you both to dispel my grief, to ward me, to bring me out of my grief. Arjuna said, so this was the speech of Agni. With this, Agni replied. Immediately, Arjuna asked. He said, you get us the equipment necessary for the battle to fight. See, if I have to make you consume the Kandavavanam, first I have to stop Indra, for which I need weapons. I need the proper equipments. So what you do is, get us the equipment necessary for the battle. With that, with those equipment, we will accomplish or fulfill your desire. Arjuna said this. Immediately, what Agni did was, he went and he got the equipment from Varuna and gave Arjuna a divine chariot drawn by white horses and bearing a monkey's mark, Kapilakshana, Divyam Ratham. And he also gave Arjuna 2 quivers. And how was the quiver? Inexhaustible quivers and a big bow by name Gandiva. So Arjuna, from where Arjuna got this Gandiva? He got it from Agni, and Agni got this Gandivam from none other than Varuna. So this is the meaning of this paragraph. Evam, thus, Saptakritvaha Vitata Prayatnaha Asmi. So the Saptakritvaha Vitata Prayatnaha, all these qualify Agni. Okay. Aham Saptakritvaha. So 5 times I tried. 7 times I tried. Vitata prayatnaha, futile exercise. Vitataha prayatnaha, yasya saha. Prayatnaha is effort. Vitataha is waste. Whose effort has been become futile, waste. Vitata prayatnaha sanne agni punaha. Again, dhatuhu. Dhatu is vidhata. Dhatuhu is in Shashti, like Pituhu. Dhatuhu adeshena. By the adesha is the order. By the order of Brahma, Bhavantau here is Krishna Arjuna. Bhavantau. So what is the adjective given to them? Shoka apanutau. So Shoka apanutau ityukte Shokam apanudati iti shoka apanutu tau shoka apanudau. So nud prerane, apa is the upasarga there. The meaning of the word apanudam is remover of grief or removers of grief. Here it is in dual. To remove ityartha. So shoka banudau, it qualifies bhavantau. Bhavantau here is Krishna Arjunau. Bhavantau Krishna Arjunau. What is the adjective given for them? Shoka apanudau. Ye agnehe shokam apanudati. Apanudataha. So shokapanudau pratikshya. Pratikshya is having waited. So this is the incident that had happened. I saw you both happily playing in the Yamuna Tiram. So I was waiting for your arrival to this place, Pratikshya, Sthito Asmi. So I've been waiting here for you both to protect me, to save me, to remove my grief. I want you guys to be the removers of my grief. So evam saptakritvaha vitata prayatnaha punaha dhatuhu adeshena bhavantau shoka apanudau pratikshya sthitaha asmi. So we are here. I am here. So with this, the speech of Agni is over. Now Arjuna asked him, Avayoho. So we have come here to have for summer vacation. We have come Nidhaga Samaye Agatavantau. So we have come here. We will not carry everything for our holiday, no? Like that. Avayoho Sangramikam Upakaranam Sampadaya. Tena. So Avayoho is for both of us. We two. For us, Sangramikam Upakaranam. Sangramikam is Sangrame Sadhu. That Sangramikam ityukte used in war. Okay. Sangrame Sadhu. That Sadhu ityukte Uchitam ityartaha. See, you can't, what a sword will do in the kitchen and what a spoon will do in the war. So you need to have a upakaranam. Upakaranam is an equipment. Okay. Sangramikam upakaranam. So this sangramikam goes as an adjective for upakaranam. Sangramikam ityukte sangrame sadhu. Sangramaha ityukte battlefield. Sadhu is uchitam. That which is used in a battlefield. That which is uchitam, suitable for a battlefield, used in a war. Upakaranam sampadaya. Sampadaya is fetch. You give me, you get me. Okay. Tena, by that upakaranena, sangramika upakaranena, tava artham, for your sake, sadayavaha. Sadayavaha is siddh is the dhatu. Sadayami, sadayavaha. It is accomplish. We will accomplish your desire. Iti Arjunena Uktaha Saha Agnihi. Iti Arjunena Saha Agnihi Uktaha. Like this, he was told Katitaha Ityartaha. So it is in passive. Arjunena Agnihi Evam Uktaha. So Arjuna told, you please bring all the equipment that are required for a battle. I can accomplish your desire. I can fulfill your desire. Evam Uktaha Saha. Immediately what Agni did, he went Shweta Ashvam Kapilakshanam Divyam Ratam. So Shweta Ashvam is Shwetaha Ashvaha Shweta Ashvaha or Shwetaha Ashvaha Shweta Ashvaha. It qualifies the Ratam. So the Ratam is chariot, Divyam Ratam, divine chariot. Shweta Ashvam Divyam Ratam. The Rata, the chariot, which has white horses in it. And Kapilakshanam. Kapilakshanam ityukte, Kapihi is monkey. Kapihi Lakshanam, you take it as Dvajam. Dvajam is flag. Kapihi Lakshanam Yasya Saha Tam. It qualifies, it goes as an adjective for Ratam. The Rata, the chariot, that has white horses and it had a flag that has the chinha of a monkey. Kapilakshanam Divyam Ratam. Divyam again is a divine Ratam. Then, number one. Number two is Akshayau Nishangau. Nishangau ityukte Tuniraha ityartaha. Quivers. Quiver is where they keep the a box or a bag to keep the arrows. Okay. So, Tuniraha ityukte, what do you say? Amburat Tuni. In Tamil we say, no, Amburat Tuni. So that is Nishangaha. Nishangau is giving two quivers. Okay. So, Nishangaha ityukte Nitaram Sajanti Sharaha. Where the arrows fit. See, we have bag for everything, no? You can't carry the arrows in a dabba or something like that. Each needs a box to be well placed. So the place where the arrows are kept are called as quivers. So nishangaha ityukte quiver. Akshayo is inexhaustible, which were nakshayo akshayo kshetum kshakyam kshayam nakshayo akshayo. Okay, which can never be emptied, which is inexhaustible, which will never go in vain. Okay, so akshayo nishango, so inexhaustible nishango is quivers. Then this is the second item Agni gave Arjuna. The third is गांडीवाक्यम महत्कारमुकम च वरुणात् आदाय तस्मै प्रायच्छत्. So गांडीव इति आख्या यस्य तत्, it qualifies karmukam. Karmukam ityukte dhanuhu ityartah. Mahatkarmukam is a big, it's a huge dhanus. What is the name of the karmukam? Gandiva iti akhya yasya tat. The name of the karmukam is Gandiva. So Arjuna's Gandiva, he got this Gandiva from Agni. Varunat adaya. So bringing it, having taken it from Varuna, tasmai Arjunaya prayachat. So he gave it to Arjuna. Okay, so this is the meaning. So evam saptakritvaha vitata prayatnaha. These two words, saptakritvaha vitata prayatnaha. Vitata prayatnaha qualifies Agnihi. Vitataha prayatnaha yasya saha. Then punaha, again you have this visargasya repaha. Dhatuhu adeshena, again you have visargasya repaha. Bhavantau qualifies Krishna Arjunau. Shoka apanudau. Shokam apanudati iti shoka apanutu tau. So here nut is the dhatu, apa is the upasargam, nutu prerane. The meaning of the word is removers of grief, to remove ityartaha. It qualifies Krishna and Arjuna. Pratikshya, prati is the upasarga, iksh is the dhatu, it is in lyap. Sthitaha is stha dhatu, ikta pratyam, asmi is astu uttama purusha iti. So here sthito asmi, you have visargasya utvam gunam, then purva rupam. Avayoho sangramikam upakaranam sampadaya. So sangramikam is sangrame sadhu, upakaranam is the equipment, sampadaya is sam is the upasarga, pad is the dhatu, nich and it is in lot lakara. You must bring madhyama purusha ekavachana. Fetch ityartaha. Tena, by which, by tena upakaranena tava artham, your desire. Sadayavaha, we will accomplish. So sadayavaha, here is siddh is the dhatu, sadayami, sadayavaha, sadayamaha. Arjuna, it is in lat. Okay, accomplish ityartaha. It's in dual. Iti Arjunena uktaha. Iti Arjuna, you have yan sandhi. Arjunena uktaha, you have guna sandhi. And uktaha is vach is the dhatu, ikta pratyayam. These two words qualify Agnihi. Arjunena uktaha Agnihi. Shweta Ashwam, Shwetaha Ashwaha, Shweta Ashwaha. Tam Shweta Ashwam, it qualifies Ratam. Kapilakshanam is Kapihi, Lakshanam Dvaje Yasya Saha. Tam Ratam Kapilakshanam. Divyam is divine. Akshayo is Kshayam is exhaustible. Akshayam is inexhaustible. Nakshayo akshayo ityartaha. Nishangau is tuniraha or quivers. Nitaram sajanti sharaha yasmin nishangau. Gandiva iti akya yasya tat mahat. It qualifies mahatkarmukam. Cha varunat adaya. So Gandiva akyam you have savarna dirgham, and varunat adaya you have a justvam. Adaya is a is the upasarga, da is a dhatu, lyap is a pratyam. Tasmai here qualifies Arjunaya, and prayachat is pra, da, dan, dane. Lang lakara pratama purusha ekavachan. So evam saptakritvaha vitita prayatnaha punar dhatuhu adeshena bhavantau shokapanudau pratikshya sthito asmi iri. आवयोः साङ्ग्रामिकम् उपकरणं सम्पादय तेन तवार्थं साधयावः इति अर्जुनेन उक्तः सः श्वेताश्वं कपिलक्षणं दिव्यं रथम् अक्षय्यो निषङ्गौ गाण्डीवाक्यं महत्कार्मुकं च वरुणात् आदाय तस्मै अर्जुनाय प्रायच्छत्. ओके, नेक्स्ट. अथा भगवते दिव्यं चक्रं कौमोदकी इति गदां च तदनु स्व अनुमत्या तदरण्यं दहतः धूमकेतोः निर्वापणाय उद्यतस्य मेघवाहनस्य व्यवसायं शरपञ्जरेण मोघयन् सः श्वेतवाहनः ततः बहिः अपसरतो अपि जन्तून् तस्मिन्नेव जुहवामास तक्षकस्य तु असन्निधानेन तत्स्त्रीपुत्रम् अश्वसेनं ग्रसित्वा उत्पतन्ती पार्थेन ग्रीवायां खण्डिता व्यापद्यत. So what happened is, now similarly, so he gave this Gandiva, Akshayo Nishango, and Divyam Ratham to Arjuna. He should give something to Krishna, no? So similarly, Agni gave a divine chakram, discus, and a mace by name Kaumodaki to the Lord, to Lord Krishna. Then, with their permission, with the permission or with his permission, the fire began to burn the Kandavavanam, burn the forest. That time, Indra wanted to extinguish him, but Arjuna, the one who is staying in a white horse, he made Indra, he turned he increased Indra's frustration. So Indra wanted to extinguish him, but Arjuna, the white-horsed one, frustrated Indra's attempt by creating a cage of arrows. Shara Panjaram, Panjaram ityukte cage. So he created a cage of arrows and blocked the animals that were escaping from the fire. So he literally blocked everyone. See, already the one side the fire was consuming the forest. Indra was pouring his rain to stop the fire, but Arjuna stopped it by creating a cage of arrows which blocked the animals that were escaping from the fire. Since the friend of Indra, that is Takshaka, was not present there, his wife flew up carrying their son Ashwasena in her mouth. But she was cut off at the neck by Arjuna and fell dead. So Takshaka's wife died. Her son Putrasena survived. Okay. So this is the meaning of this paragraph. Tatha, similarly, Bhagavate Divyam Chakram. Bhagavate is to the Lord. Bhagavan, Bhagavantau, Bhagavantaha. Bhagavate is in Chaturthi. To the Lord. Divyam Chakram. Divyam Chakram is... yeah. Divyam Chakram is a divine... chakra is the wheel. Discuss. Gadam cha dattavan ityartaha. Okay. So prayachate, you have to take it from the previous sentence. Tata Bhagavate. Similarly, Divyam Chakram, a divine discus, Kaumodaki iti gadam cha. A gada, a mace by name Kaumodaki. Kaumodaki is the name of the mace. Idu gada. Tadanu, after that, then swasya anumatya tad aranyam dahataha dhumaketuhu is agnihi ityartaha. For whom dhumam is smoke, ketuhu is chinham. Ketuhu in general means flag. Okay, why we carry a flag? Flag is the chinham. If somebody, each country has a flag, no? So it is the chinham of that particular country. So in the same way, what is the chinham for this Agni? Dhuma. Yatra dhumaha tatra vannihi. So in the same way, swa anumatya tad aranyam dahataha. Tasya aranyam dahataha. It is in Shashti. It qualifies dhumaketoho. So the Agni which was burning that forest, nirvapanaya, to stop that Agni, to stop that burning, nirvapanaya, to extinguish it, udyatasya megavahanasya. Udyataha is who is ready, who is making an effort to stop. Who is that? Megavahanaha. Megavahana ityukte megaha vahanaha yasya saha. One who, for whom megam is the vahanam. One who uses it. So Megavahana here qualifies Indraha. So Dhumaketoho nirvapanaya udyatasya megavahanasya vyavasayam ityukte karyam, effort. Sharapanjaram is by cage of arrows. Okay, Panjaram is cage. By the cage of arrows, Mogayanna is Mogam Kurvanna ityartha. Okay, to make it futile or make it frustrating, Mogayanna Sharapanjarena Megavahanasya Udyatasya Megavahanasya Vyavasayam is the effort. Mogayanna, making it futile or making it frustrating, Saha here qualifies Arjunaha. Shvetavahanah. What is the adjective for Arjunah? Shvetaha Ashvaha Vahane Yasya Saha. In whose chariot the white horses are tied up. So Shvetavahanaha qualifies Arjunah. Saha धूमकेतोः दहतः धूमकेतोः निर्वापणाय उद्यतस्य मेघवाहनस्य व्यवसायं शरपिन् पञ्जरेण मोघयन् सः अर्जुनः श्वेतवाहनः ततः बहिः अपसरतो अपि जन्तून् तस्मिन्नेव जुहवामास. So what he did, there were many, see, when the forest fire occurs, given a fire occurs in the house, we will move, we will be running here and there. In the same way, bahihi is outside, apasarataha is moving out. Okay, apasarataha is moving. Apasarato api jantune tasminneva juhva masa. So this apasarataha qualifies jantune. It is in dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. Apasarato api jantune tasminneva juhva masa. So he made them. We made the fire consume them. So Juhavamasa is he burnt them. So to sacrifice, who sacrifice? Dana adanayoho, to consume ityartaha. It led to Pratama Purushaha Ekavachanam. So it qualifies, it comes as it comes for Arjuna. Saha Arjunaha Jantune Juhavamasa. Tasminneva Vane Juhavamasa. Okay. Then तक्षकस्य तु असन्निधानेन, सन्निधानम is presence, nikatam ityartah, samipam ityartah. Asannidhanam is absence or he doesn't stay in that vicinity. So takshakasya tu asannidhanena, due to the by the absence of takshaka, tat stri tasya takshakasya patni ityartah putram ashvasenam. So the son of takshaka's name is Ashvasenaha. Grasitva is pushpa tat stri Putram Ashvasenam cha Grasitva is having seized. This Utpatanti qualifies that stri. Okay. So she was emerging from the fire. Both of them, Putram Ashvasenam, Takshakasya Patni, Tata Putram Ashvasenam, Grasitva is having seized them. Partena Grivayam Kandita Sa Vyapadyata. So she died. So he Partena Vyapadyata. Kandita Sa Takshakasya Patni Grivayam Vyapadyata. So he was killed by Takshaka's wife was killed by Partha. That is Arjuna. Okay. She was cut at the neck. Grivayam. Griva is neck. Grivayam Kandita Sa Takshakasya Stri Vyapadyata was killed by Arjuna. Okay. Then so Tata, in the same way, similarly, Bhagavate Chaturthi, Divyam Chakram, divine chakra, and the Gadam. Gada, the name of the Gada is Kaumudiki, Kaumodaki, Iti, it is in Savarna Dirgam. Tadanu, after that, Swanumatya tad aranyam dahataha. So, with the Anumati, tad aranyam, tad Kandava, iti aranyam, dahataha qualifies Dhumagetoho. Dah is a dhatu, Basmi Karane, Shatru Pratyam, and it is in Shashti Vibhakti. Dhumagetoho is Agnihi. So, Dhumam Ketuhu Chinnam Yasya Saha. Tasya Dhumagetoho. Nirvapanaya Udyatasya. Nir and Vap is the dhatu. Nich, it's in Lutu Pratyam. Nirvapanam, Nirvapanaya, it is in Chaturthi. Udyatasya, again Ut, Yam, Ikta Pratyam Shashti. It qualifies Megavahanaha, Megavahanasya, Megaha, Megam, Megaha, Vahanam, Asya. Iti Megavahanaha, Indraha ityartaha. Indrasya, Vyavasayam. Vyavasayam is effort. Sharapanjarena, by the cage of arrows. Sharanam Panjaraha Sharapanjaraha. The cage of arrows. Tena Charapanjarena. Mogayan is frustrating. Making him Mogam Kurvan ityartaha. Mogayan. Mogayati is in Amadatu. So Mogayan, it is in Shatru. Mogayan, Saha, Shvetavahanaha. That Shvetavahana qualifies Arjunaha. Tataha ततः is tasmat vanat ityartah. Tasmat pradeshat bahihi apasarato api jantun. So he didn't lock only the animals who are stagnant there. He locked everyone. He wanted to escape from the fire. Apasarato api jantun. Apasarataha apa sri is the dhatu and shatru dvitiya bahuvachanam. It qualifies jantun. Okay, so bahihi visargasya repaha avasarataha visargasya utvam gunam purvarupam jantun and jantun again here sattva sandhi jantuns tasminne plus eva tasminneva you have this gamudagama sandhi jantun tasminneva जन्तून् इत्युक्ते मृगविशेषाः इत्यर्थः मृगविशेषान् तस्मिन्नेव वने तस्मिन्नेव अग्नौ Juhavamasa, he made Agni consume them. Juhavamasa is a who is a dhatu and it is lit Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Takshakasya, Takshakahasya, tu asannidhanena, you have Yanjandi, tu asannidhanena. Sannidhanam means nikatam, asannidhanam is absence. Tat stri is tasyaha, tasya takshakasya stri. Stri ityukte patni. What is the adjective for her? Utpatanti, who was emerging out of the forest or the fire. Utpatanti, ut is the upasarkam, pat is the dhatu, and it is in Shatru Pratyayam, Strilingam. Utpatanti tat stri, putram ashvasenam grasitva. So holding that child in her, carrying grasitva, holding the putram ashvasenam. Partena grivayam kandita vyapatyata. So she was cut at the neck by Partha and she was killed. She died immediately. Okay. So grasitva here is gras adane and is tva is a pratyam. And utpatanti, I said utpat and shatru, strilingam. Grivayam saptami, kandita, khand vedane, ikta pratyam stri. Vyapadyata is vi, a, both are upasarkam. Pad is the dhatu and lang lakara, prathama purusha ekavachanam, partena vyapadyata, it is in karma. Okay. Next is tat putrastu chinnavalaha katamchit mochitaha vritrahatu savyasachina saha chiram yudhva tam ajayam manvanaha putrat parabhavam bahumanyamanaha apakramat. Tataha svatejasa guptane chaturaha mandabala muniputrane vina sarvam tadvanam panchadashaham avishrantataya satrinam ashnan analaha tataha utpatantam mayasuram jigatsuhu artaya masa. Now, so her son, this Takshakasya son, Tasya Takshakasya putrastu, Ashvasena got himself saved somehow with his tail cut off. Okay. He escaped. Only he lost his tail. He saved his life. Indra fought with Arjuna for a long time, then understood that it is very difficult to win over Arjuna. He valued the defeat. Why? He felt privileged to lose the battle to his own son. Okay. For 15 days, so Indra, after accepting the defeat, he left the place. After that, Agni started his work. For 15 days, continuously, the fire consumed everything without interruption, leaving 6 things. Okay, 6 people actually leaving the without interruption. The Agni consumed everything other than the 4 sons of the sage Mandabala, who protected themselves by their own strength. Then the fire, desirous to eat the Asura Maya, who was emerging out, pleaded to Krishna. This is the meaning of this. See, actually, if you check the Mahabharatam, no, they say it is in, I think, 27th sargam. Tasmin vane dahyamane shat agnihi. Tasmin vane dahyamane shat agnihi na dadahacha. Ashvasenam mayam jaiva chaturaha sharangakanu tata. So, see, in that vanam, everything was burnt. Everything was turned into ashes. Agni consumed everything, leaving 6 people. One is this Maya. He is the architect of Asura. Another one is this Ashvasena, who escaped nicely, somehow escaped from the hands of Arjuna. Then 4 children of the sage Mandabala. So there is an interesting story about it. Before going into this paragraph, I'll just tell the story, then we'll move on with the lesson. There was a sage by name Mandabalaha. He was extremely religious and he was sticking to celibacy. After his death, he went to the other world where he was not received properly. Then the Devas told him, you have stuck to celibacy. Without pum narakate trayate iti putraha. You don't have children. So you go and have kids and come. So this sage, he came back. He decided to have many children. So what he did is he took the form of a bird. Sharngakaha is a type of a bird. So he took, so birds give birth to many kids, right? So Sharngakane, so he took the form of a Sharngakaha, this Mandabala, he married another bird by name Jarita. So this Jarita delivered 4 children. They were Jaritari, Sarisirka, Stambamitra and Drona. So, and after marrying and after this she has hatched she delivered these eggs. When the eggs came out of the bird, this Muni left this lady and went with Lapita, another person. When so this Jarita was living with these 4 eggs, and one fine day they all hatched. They all came out of the egg, the chicks. So what happened when this Kandavavana was about to be burned by Agni, this Jarita got really upset. She didn't know how to save her children. There is in another sarga, there are mentioned that Mandabala himself has requested fire, Agni Deva, not to consume his children who stay in the Kandavavanam. This happened, and Agni was not going to consume these kids and the wife. But Jarita was not aware of the whole story. So what she wanted to protect her chicks. So she was very tensed. So she told the chicks to go into the Aku. Aku is the rat in the hole of the rats. So she told them, you go into the rat hole. I will bring some sand. The whole episode is very interesting. It's like leading a what to say, Amar Chitrakada or a Tinkle or a Hitopadesha type of story. So the Jarita tells the chicks to go into the hole. I will close the hole with a sand or mud. Then these kids are very, very smart. They said, if there is a Aku is a rat. If the rat exists, they will eat us, no? Because we don't have feathers to fly. So how? So Mata Pranashta. So what they said is, you leave us. Anyway, you can't save us. Let us die. But if we die, the Vamsha will not go. But if you die, you cannot bear more children. The Mata Pranashta Pitaram na Vidma. So he says like this to the mother. The kids, the chicks say all these to the mother. Then the mother was not ready to leave them. Then finally the chicks, they started worshipping Agni. So the Sarisrika, that bird says, Mata Pranashta Pitaram na Vidmaha Pakshaha Naiva Jataha Naha Dhumaketo, Hey Dhumaketo, Hey Agni, my mother will die because you are going to burn her. And Na Vidmaha Pitaram, we do not know who the father is. Pakshaha Naiva Jataha, we don't have wings. Hey Dhumaketo, Na Naha Trata Vidyate, there is no one to save us. Vai tvadanyaha tasmate asmane trahi bralane tvam agni. So the first one says like this. So each one, the Sarisrike, Jaritari, Stambamitra, Drona, each one of the bird says, each one praises Agni in different way. In Drona, the last one, he says, Tvam annaf pranina, pranibihi. So the whole world resides in you, oh Agni. So we also belong to you. So please don't burn us. So Agni was extremely pleased by these 4, the worship that was done by these 4 chicks, and he didn't burn them. So that is why Mandabala Muniputranu Vina Chaturaha Manda 4. Chatvaraha is Pratama Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam. And Chaturaha is a Dvitiya Vibhakti. It comes as an object. And at the end, this Drona, this Pakshi Drona, he tells the Agni, about the cats. Ime marjarakaha shukraha nityam udvejayanti naha. Etane kurushva dagdane tvam hudashana sabandavane. So you burn these marjaraha, these cats, along with their bandhu janaihi saha you burn. So this was the story of, so leaving these four chicks and Mayasura and Ashwasena, everything in the Kandavavana was turned into ashes by Agni. I just thought I would tell you the story because there's such a, because Lakshmana Suri, just he cites the name Mandabala and he moves to the next episode. Tatputrastu, tasya takshakasya putraha tu, Chinnavalaha. Valaha is Val. Tail. So Chinna Valaha is, Chinna is to cut. So Chinnaha Valaha Yasya Saha. It qualifies Putraha, whose tail was cut off. Katanchit Mochitaha. Somehow he escaped. He released or relieved himself. Then Vritraha is a name for Indra. Vritrasuram Hatavan iti Vritraha. See, it is Nakaranta Pullinga. The Shabdam goes like Vritraha, Vritrahanau, Vritrahanaha. You can check it in dictionary, in Shabdarupam. Okay. So Vritraha is Indraha. Vritraha Savyasachina saha chiram yudva. Indra Savyasachi Savyena Sachate iti Savyasachi. We came across this word. This is a name for Arjuna, who is expert in handling the dhanus in using both of his hands. Savyasachi is one who is an expert in handling things with his left hand as well. So Savyasachina Arjunena saha chiram. Chiram is Vegugalam. For many years, many months or many days, Yuddham Kritva, after fighting with Arjuna, Tam Ajayam Anvanaha. So he understood he can't win over Arjuna. Jetum Ashakyam Ajayam, who cannot be conquered or win over, who cannot be defeated. Tam Arjunam, what is the adjective for Arjunam? Ajayam Arjunam Tam Manvanaha. Thinking him as, considering him, what to say, undefeatable. He considered Arjuna as that. Putrat Parabhavam. Who else is, whose son is Arjuna? Arjuna is none other than the son of Indra. Putrat Parabhavam Mahumanyamanaha. Parabhavam is Tiraskaraha or defeat. Putrat Parabhavam, a defeat from the son. Indra considered felt great about getting defeated by his own son. Apakramat, he went away. So this is the meaning. So Vritraha is Indra. Vritraha apakramat. Indra left, went away. Why? Savyasachina saha chiram yudva. After fighting with Arjuna for a long time, Tam Arjunam Ajayam Manvanaha. Considering that Arjuna to be undefeatable, Putrat Parabham Bahumanyamanaha, getting defeated or getting Tiraskritaha. Putrat Parabhavam Bahumanyamanaha. Bahumanyamanaha is feeling great. It's a great feeling to lose to your own children, no? So Putrat Parabhavam Bahumanyamanaha. This Bahumanyamanaha goes as an adjective for Vritraha, for Indra. Okay. Manvanaha also qualifies Vritraha. Apakramat. So he went away. He left that Kandavavanam. Tataha. Then Svatejasa Guttane Chaturaha Mandapala Muniputrane. So here Munehe Putraha Pakshinaha. Okay. So Mandapala Muniputraha Putrane. Mandapala iti Munihi. Tasya Putraha Mandapala Putraha. Tane Mandapala Putrane Vina. Tyaktva. Leaving the 4 kids. Chaturaha. By their own effort or valor or strength, Guptane is secretly hiding. Guptaha is secret. Guptane Chaturaha Mandapala Muniputrane Vina, leaving the 4 children of the sage Mandapala, Sarvam Tatvanam Panchadashaham. The whole Vanam, Panchadasham is for 15 days. See, Ahan is generally like Aha, Ahani, Ahani. Here Panchadashaham is like Ramashabdam. पञ्चदशाहम् अविश्रान्ततया न विश्रान्तः अविश्रान्तः न विश्रान्तस्य भावः अविश्रान्तता तया अविश्रान्ततया without any break without any gap without any interruption satrinam is trinaihi sahitam ityartha इत्युक्ते it comes as an adverb trinamapi aparityajya not leaving even a grass. So the Agni burned everything, even the girl's grass was not spared. So Satrinam Ashnanne, Ashri to Bojane, Shatru Pratyaya. Ashnanne, Analaha is Agni, Anilaha is Vayuhu, Analaha is Agni. So Analaha, Avishrantataya, Panchadashaham, Satrinam Ashnanne, Utpatantam Mayasuram. So there was an Asura by name Maya. He is none other than the architect of the Asuras, of the Danavas, Rakshasas. So he was emerging out. Utpatantam Mayasuram Jigatsuhu. Jigatsuhu is At, it is an Attum Ichuhu. Sanantam. So Jigatsuhu Bakshayitum Ichuhu. He wanted to consume that Mayasura, burn, turn him into ashes. Arthayamasa. So he requested Krishna. Okay. Tat putrastu. So tat putraha visargasya sakaraha chinnavalaha. You have this putrastu chinnavalaha. You have this tugagama sandhi here. Katamchit mohitaha. You have anunasikam. And mochitaha is much is the dhatu. Much mochane mokshane ikta pratyayam nich. Okay, mochitaha is a niche. If it is normal, it will be muktaha. Okay, so mochitaha, putraha tu mochitaha. He relieved himself from the hands of Arjuna. With what? Chinnavalaha, by losing his tail. Vritraha, I told you, Vritraha is Vritrasuram Hatavaniti. It is Nakaranta Pullinga Shabda. Savyasachina Arjunena Saha Chiram Yudhva Yuddh Samprahare Twa after fighting. Tam Ajayam. Ajayam is Chetum Ashakyam Ajayam, unable to win. Manmanaha is Mana Avabodhane and it is in Chanach. It qualifies Indra. Putrati Parabhavam. Parabhavam is defeat. Bahumanyamanaha. Bahu is the Upasargam. Man is a Dhatu and Chanach is a great feeling. Bahumanyamanaha. Apakramat. Apa is the Upasarga. Krama Pada Vikshepe. Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. It qualifies. Guptane, Gup is a dhatu, Ikta Pratyayam, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. It qualifies Mandabala Muniputrane. Chaturaha, Chatur, it's a Repantam, Pullingam, Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. Chatvaraha, Chaturaha, Chaturbihi. That's how the Shabdam goes. So it naturally 3 and above you don't have a singular or dual form, right? So it is a Nitya Pullinga. So Guptane, Chaturaha Mandabala Muniputrane, Mandabala iti munihi, Mandabala munehe putraha, Tanu putrane, Vina, without is an avyayam, Sarvam Tadvanam, the whole forest, Panchadashaham. Panchadashaham is 15 days. Avishrantataya, without any interruption or any gap. He didn't rest even for a while. He just continuously consuming the forest for 15 days. Satrinam Ashnanne, Trinamapi Aparityajya ityartaha. Ashnanne is Ashiv Bojane, Shatru Pratyayam, Analaha is Agnihi, Tataha is Tasmat Agnehe or Tasmat Vanat Utpatantam is emerging. Ut Pat Shatru, Vitya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, it qualifies Mayasuram. Maya iti Asuraha, Tam Mayasuram, Jigatsuhu is At. Attumichuhu Jigatsuhu At and Sannantam Arthayamasa requested. Arth is the Dhatu, Lit, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachan. Okay. So Tat Putrastu Chinnavalaha Katamchit Mochitaha Vritraha Savyasachina Saha Chiram Yudhva Tam Ajayam Manvanaha Putrat Parabhavam Bahumanyamanaha. You have this Visargasya Utvam there. Then Tataha Swatejasa Guptane Chaturaha, again you have the Sattva Sandhi here. Mandabala Putrane Vina, सर्वं तद्वनं पञ्चादशं दशाहम् अविश्रान्ततया सतृणम् अश्नन् अनलः you have गौडागम सन्धि अनलः विसर्गस्य सकारः उत्पतन्तं मयासुरं जिगत्सुः विसर्गस्य रेपः अर्थयामास तथा इति उद्धत अरिणी दैत्यारौ सुतरां भीतः सः सुरारि विश्वकर्मा okay I have to make it as okay surari vishwakarma bibhatso mam pahi iti akrandati sma ma baishihi iti tena datta abhayah sanne amaratva labha nirvishesham preetim prapya mumude so when Krishna agreed and he uplifted his discus, then the architect of the asuras, he was highly frightened, cried out. He was crying aloud. He called Arjuna as Bibhatso, Bibhatsuhu. See, there are different names for Arjuna. Arjunaha, Palgunaha, Vijayaha, Krishnaha, Savyasachi, Dhananjayaha. So here the word is Bibhatsuhu. It is Ukarantam. Bibhatso is a Sambodhanam there. Hey Bibhatso, hey Arjuna, Mam Pahi, save me. Iti akrandati sma. So he was crying aloud. Ma bhaishihi. Arjuna replied, don't fear. Iti tena Arjunena datta abhayaha. So thus getting refuge from Arjuna, under Arjuna, son, amaratva labha nirvishesham preetim prapya mumude. So this Mayasura attained happiness or joy equal to the acquisition of immortality and grew delighted. This is the meaning of this line. So Tatha, in the same way, agreed to that. When Krishna agreed, Uddata Arini. See, Uddataha is uplifting, taking it up. So Ari is Chakram ityartaha. Arihi generally means Arihi, Ari, Arayaha, enemy. Here, this Ari is also pulling only. Arini becomes the Saptami. Okay, so the Vigravakyam will be Udritaha Ari Yenasaha Tasmin. It qualifies Daityaro. Daityaro here qualifies Krishnaha. So Daityanam Arihi Tasmin Daityaro Krishne Udrita Udritarini or Uddhatarini. Uddrita only. There is a spelling error here. Uddritaha Ari. So Uddrita Ari is the Chakram. Uddritaha Arihi Ari Yena Saha. By whom? By Krishna. The Ari is the Chakram was taken up. Okay. By whom? Daityaro. It is in Sati Saptami. So Daityaro Uddrita Arini Sati Saha Surari Vishwakarma. Surari is Suranam Arihi Surarihi. Who Asura? Asuranam Vishwakarma. The architect of Asura. Who? This Maya. What happened? Sutaram Bitaha. Adhikataya. Sutaram is extremely afraid. Bitaha is afraid. Saha Surari Vishwakarma. Then he calls out Arjuna as, hey Bibhatso. Bibhatso. Bibhatsaha. Here is Bibhatsyate Anena, who's ferocious, who's been scared by seeing whom people are scared, who scares everyone. That is Arjuna. So Bibhatso, hey Arjuna, Mam Pahi, so you protect me. Okay. Iti akrandati sma. So thus he was crying aloud. Okay. So here Bibhatso is Ukaranta. So the Sambodhanam is like Guru Bibhatso. Mam Pahi. Pahi is Pa Rakshane, Madhya Purusha, Lotu Ekavachanam. Protect me. You protect me. Iti akrandati sma. So this Surari Vishwakarma akrandati sma. Akrandati is A is Upasargam. Krand is the Dhatu. Krand Rodane. Lattu Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. This Sma tells the Bhutartham. He cried. Okay. Ma Bhaishihi. Ma Bhaishihi again. Mang Yoge. Namang Yoge. There's no Adagamam. Otherwise, the Rupam will be Abhaishihi. Ma Bhaishihi Bi Baye. Lung Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Iti Tena Arjunena Datta Abhayaha. Dattam Abhayam Yasmai Saha. It qualifies Mayasuraha. Okay. Vishwakarma. Surari Vishwakarma. For whom Abhayam refuge was given. Okay. तेन अर्जुनेन दत्त अभयः सुरारि विश्वकर्मा सन् ओके अमरत्वलाभ निर्विशेषां प्रीतिं सो अमरत्वम् इस् अमरस्य भावः अमरम् इस् न मरणं यस्य अमरः ओके अमरस्य भावः इस् इमॉर्टलिटी अमरत्वम् अमरत्वस्य लाभः इस् बेनिफिट so he became extremely happy as if see Arjuna saved Mayasura from the hands of Krishna and this Agni okay so he became extremely happy what is this happiness that preeti katam asit kidrishi preeti asit अमरत्व लाभ निर्विशेषां प्रीतिं निर्गतः विशेषः यस्याः सा निर्विशेषा it qualifies preetim so he attained happiness equal nirvishesha is vishesham is bedah nirvishesham where the beda is gone nirgatah visheshah yasmat I should say yasmat sa tasmat tam it goes to preetim so he attained a happiness equal to Amaratvam is immortality. So he attained happiness equal to immortality. Nirvisheshaha means equal. Nirvishesham preetim prapya. After attaining such a happiness, mumude. He was mudharshe pratama purusha ekavachanam dit atmanepada. So tatha iti udrita arini daityarau sati. Daityarau udrata arini sati. So udrutaha ari yena saha tasmin arini is the saptami vibhakti of ari okay daityanam arihi tasmin daityarau krishne udruta arini sati saha surari vishwakarma suranam ari is asuraha asuranam vishwakarma the architect of vishwakarma is architect okay Vishweshu karma yasya devashilpi ityartah okay so Vishwakarma surari Vishwakarma bhitaha san he became extremely sutaram bhitaha extremely afraid he went to Arjuna he said mam pahi protect me pahi here is the pa dhatu rakshane ma baishihi mang yoge adagama is not there iti tena datta abhayaha saha vishwakarma sanne amaratva labah sanne amaratva labam again you have this namudagama sandhi amaratva labha nirvishesham amarasya bhavah amaratvam amaratvasya labah amaratva labah amaratva labena nirvishesham preetim as if he got the he was happy in that way as if he has reached the immortal stage. Preetim prapya pra apu lyap mumude is mudharshe prathama purusha ekavachanam lit atmaneparam. So with this the Adi Parvam of Bharata Sangraham is over with this. Okay. Yes. Audio is unstable. Also Shweta Ashvaha yasya tat bahuvrihi okay okay you want to put it for Ratham huh? Shweta see Shwetah Ashvaha Shweta Ashvaha it comes as a adjective white horses Shwetaha Ashvaha yasya tat yeah yasya saha it qualifies Ratham no tam then you have to put tam then why did Arjuna made cage of arrows? He could have let the animals escape. It's to save people from wild animals. Because Brahma has instructed Agni to consume all the living beings. Only then he will be cured. So the life and the strength of Agni is very important for the world, right? Yeah, it is in Sati Saptami. Okay. Any more questions? 1 minute. Yes, Jairam sir. You are in mute, sir.
Yeah. A couple of quick questions. You can hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm a bit confused that the first slide, second slide onwards, the Brahmana comes. He himself is the Agni. He is the Agni, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
he himself is Agni. Agni has taken the form of a Brahmin and he was moving around in search of Krishna and Arjuna.
Oh, okay. I see.
Sir, before that, I just wanted to tell you, you asked me something last class. The Snasyan, no? You should take the
Snasya.
meaning as he is about to get into the water. Then it will fit.
Oh, Puruji. Okay, that's
Lakshmana
very
Suri
nice.
can never be wrong. It is probably the teacher or the student may be wrong. Kavi Kadapi, he can't make a mistake. Okay, we have to rectify ourselves. Any other
So
questions,
he
sir?
was, so it was about to take bath kind of meaning comes. So that's why
Yeah,
future tense
Snasyan.
is
That
future
is, yeah,
tense.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
When he was about to take a dip.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to take the meaning
Okay.
like that. I just went through again, then I thought this should be the meaning. Yes.
And
Any
the
question?
second question, madam, is Kapi Lakshanam iti tatra uktam. Is that the lecture? Is that the Dvija of Hanuman that is being indicated?
No. In whose flag Hanuman remains as a chinnam? For Arjuna, in Arjuna's Ratha, he gives Agni gives a chariot which has the Kapi Chinnam in that.
No. I understand, but the Kapi is that the Hanuman
Monkey.
Kapi or general Kapi?
You should take a Kapi. He is monkey. Monkey other than Hanuman, who in Mahabharata we will say.
Okay. That's what I thought. Okay. And
Yeah.
another question is Akshayau Nishangau iti tatra uktam. Is it in Dutiya? I mean, Dvivachanam or is it a Saptami Ekavachanam?
No. It is in Dvivachanam only. Akshayo Nishango.
There is only 2 arrows, is it?
No. 2 quivers.
Oh, 2 quivers. Okay.
Yeah.
That is the bags that contain the.
Yeah, that
arrows.
contains Thuni Raha. Ambura Thunin sonene. Which will never be emptied.
Okay. And that finally the Bhaishihi Tatra Lunglakara Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam asti va? Bhaishihi.
Ama.
What's the dhatu of Bhaishi?
Bhaishihi is B by A.
Oh, B by. Okay. Thank you.
Bhaishihi should be the Rupam. Because of Namang Yoge, you have this absence of Akara, that Adagama.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
Yeah. Oja Amit, sir, you can unmute and talk.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, this line on Mayasuram Jagatsu Arthayama. So he tried to eat Mayasur also.
Yes, consume.
Consume, yes, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes. So immediately after that, it's written that Vishwakarma was frightened. So Mayasur and Vishwakarma are same.
No, Vishwakarma is Mayasura.
Okay, so they're synonyms.
No synonym. Vishwakarma is an architect. Vishwakarma is equal to architect. Vishwakarma, the word Vishwakarma means architect.
Okay, and he is also the Mayasur.
Mayasura is the Vishwakarma of Surari, of the Dhanavaha, of Rakshasaha.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Mayasura is the architect. Okay.
Yes.
The synonym, the word for architect in Sanskrit is Vishwakarma. Kesham Vishwakarma Surarina. Who are Surari? Rakshasaha. Rakshasanam Vishwakarma Mayasuraha. This Mayasura only constructs the because Arjuna saved Mayasura, no? So he wanted to give a present, or he wanted to come out of the debt. He offers the Pandavas that I want to give something. The next Sabha Parvam starts with that incident only. He says, I want to give something back, please take. These people said, Arjuna says, no, I protected you from some calamity. I not in interest of taking something in return. Then Maya said, no, I will construct. And he only constructs a beautiful palace where Duryodhana comes and falls, all those things. No? Illusory palace was constructed by Maya.
Yes.
It's called as Maya Sabha.
Okay.
If we get a chance to do Sabha Parvam, then these stories come. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Madam, is the course over? Completed?
Yeah, with this it is over, no? We announced only Adi Parvam.
So we don't have any class next Wednesday?
This is the last class.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, with this the Adi Parvam is over. In case if we have any plans to do the remaining Parvas and people are interested to join, I don't mind
So any indication on the exam format, madam? What is the?
No, I'm not at.
Okay.
I'm not framed anything. I'm yet to do that.
Okay.
I thought I'll finish the whole portion then sit on. It will be, I think, for 50 marks. I think you'll get message from Vyoma. Yes, Shankari Ramesh, madam, please unmute and talk, ma'am.
नमस्ते महोदय।
Namaste. Namaste.
निषङ्गः इत्यस्य विवरणम् उक्तवती, अहं सम्यक् न अवगतवती।
Nishangau.
तस्य उत्पत्ति एवं
where the this one, what do you call, where the arrows are kept very well. Tuniraha nitaram sajanti
अर्थं न
sharaha.
अवगतवती महोदय। भवती
Yasmin. Yeah, I'm saying that only. Nitaram sajanti sharaha. Nishangaha.
नितरां
Sajanti sharaha.
अस्तु महोदय। पुनः देवशिल्पी विश्वकर्मा, असुराणां शिल्पी मयः इति श्रुतं। विश्वकर्मा इत्येव कश्चन अस्ति किल, मयः अन्यः एव किल।
But if you see the Surari Vishwakarma, only here Maya only comes here for the context.
अत्र असुराणां,
But if you check the dictionary, Vishwakarma, they say architect only. Within bracket, some people have said Devashilpi also. But
न वस्तुतः द्वौ विश्वकर्मणः पुत्रः एव त्वष्टा इति मन्ये।
I don't know the story, madam. I don't know.
अस्तु महोदय। त्वष्टा तु अत्र पूरी जगन्नाथमन्दिरस्य निर्माता एवं सर्वं भवति कथासु। अनन्तरं निर्विशेषाम् इत्यस्य अत्र प्रीतिम् इति अस्ति, अर्थः कः महोदय?
See, it nirvishesham, amaratvalava nirvishesham goes as an adjective for preetim. Okay. So nirvisheshaha is ityukte bedaha ityarthaha, difference ityarthaha. So nirgataha visheshaha yasmat, I have to return it as yasyaha sa. It should be nirgataha visheshaha yasmat sa nirvishesha tam nirvishesham. See, he attained happiness equal to immortality. That equal is nirvisheshaha.
Vedarahitaha iti.
Vedarahitaha. See, I was extremely happy today, like the way I have achieved something great. We say it like that, no? In that way, amaratva labena कीदृशी प्रीतिः भवति, तादृशी प्रीतिः अभवत् तस्य मयासुरस्य अधुना. Got it?
आं महोदय, धन्यवादः। मया एवम् अवगम्यते, मयसभा तत्रैव एवं बीजम् उक्तम् इति, द्रौपदी असति इत्यादि। इत्युक्ते गृहनिर्माण कार्यं यः करोति तेन तस्यापि प्रभावः भवति इति चिन्तयामि। एवं मयसभा इति कारणेन एवं युद्धपर्यन्तम् अभवत् वा इति मम चिन्तनम् एवमस्ति इदानीं।
भवत्याः प्रश्नः न अवगतः मया। Can you please repeat?
मयः निर्मितवान् किल, असुराणां शिल्पी, मयसभायामेव एवं बीजम् उक्तम् इति भाति। द्रौपदी हसितवती दुर्योधनं दृष्ट्वा, अतः गृहनिर्मातुः अपि वैशिष्ट्यं भवति अथवा प्रभावः भवति इति।
So you're trying to say that the lakshanam of the house depends on the architect also. If the architect is not good, something bad will happen in the house. That's what you're trying to say, right?
आम् महोदय, अहं चिन्तयामि प्रत्येकस्य चिन्तनम् अथवा तस्य प्रभावः अपि तत्र भवति इति। अतः एव एतद् शान्त्यर्थं वयम् एतद् होमादिकं कुर्मः इति चिन्तयामि।
निरर्गला कल्पना. There is no constraint for our imagination. Thoughts are like
सत्यं
निरर्गला कल्पना खलु?
आम्। बीभत्सरसम् इति श्रुतवती। बीभत्सुः इत्यस्य तस्य सम्बन्धः अस्ति वा?
बीभत्सुः इत्युक्ते ferocious इति अर्थः. Whoever he makes everyone he brings fear in everybody's mind. That is Bibhatsuhu.
Bibhatsarasa tu embarrassment kila.
Bibhatsaha is aruviruppu சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? ஜுகுப்சா
Tadeva.
பீபத்சு.
Jugupsa bhava.
ஆமா. பீபத்ஸ்யதே அனேன இதி பீபத்சுஹு. How people get fear from Arjuna. That is why he called as Bibhatsuhu. It is like Guruhu.
Oh, astu mहोदय. न ग्रसित पुत्रम् इति आसीत् सा मुखे सर्पपुत्रं स्थापयन्ती बहिरागतवती वा तक्षकस्य पत्नी
बहिरागतवती सा
सा
अर्जुनेन तस्य कण्ठः ग्रीवा खण्डिता
खण्डिता तदा तस्य वालमपि छिन्नं जातम् इति चिन्तयामि
पुत्रस्य वालं छिन्नं वालचिह्नेन सः he escaped. So these are the six people who escaped from the Kandavavanam.
एवं सर्पः पलायते चेत् सः एवं प्रतिक्रियां करोति इति श्रूयते किल तक्षकः तदर्थमेव तस्य पौत्रम् एवं कृतवान् वा इति शापं प्राप्तवान् सर्वं कारणं भवति वा इति भवती यथा वदति तथा निर्गलतया
Mahabharatam is like a huge text. I just go through wherever I am finding. See, when Lakshmana Suri quotes an incident, he doesn't take a deep dive. The reason behind is it is not a full Mahabharatam text. It is an abridged version of Mahabharatam. So he cannot be dealing with covering all the topics. So whenever such an occurrence, such any word comes, I generally refer to Mahabharatam to get the story. See, without the story, we can't explain. No, see, I could have that's just said and went. Mandabala Muniputran Vina.
सम्यक् अस्ति महोदय सा कथा पुत्राणां पक्षीणां स्तोत्राणि अहं तद् अवश्यं पठिष्यामि भवत्याः प्रेरणया अवश्यं पठिष्यामि बहु सम्यक् अस्ति लघु बालकाः लघु पक्षिपुत्राः प्रार्थनां कुर्वन्ति इति बहु सम्यक् अस्ति.
Actually, each shloka is very good in that. If you see the original text, I was not able to write everything. I took note of certain thing, and end it is like a comic. You kill everyone, all the cats, white cats. I don't know what is the reason for that.
सम्यक् भवति.
They can make a play out of this. Anything you have, madam? Any other question?
Nothing. बहु धन्यवादाः महोदय.
Namaste. Kala madam, please. Any question? Richantu.
Hello.
சொல்லுங்க.
Trimurti ஸ்துதி வந்து ஒரு கோர்ஸ் எடுங்க மேடம்.
Okay. We'll discuss that. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Can we end the session with this? Namaste, everyone.